Find the area of the segment which is the shaded region. As you found out in your reading of the text, that this area shaded here is called the segment. How do we go about finding this? Well, let's look at the overall idea. What is this bounded by? We have this area. What is in this shape? We have here a sector, and we have a triangle. So in order to get this area that's shaded, we could say the area of the shade equals the area of the sector minus the area of the triangle. So it now becomes, can we find the area of a sector? We did that back in chapter 7. How do you find the area of the sector? Well, what part of the circle do we have? This angle here is 1.5 radians. Remember, it's radians because it does not have a degree symbol there, so it's implied to be radians. So we'll have 1.5. This is our part. What is a whole circle in radians? That is our 2 pi. So this is the fraction of the circle that we have. And what is the area of the circle? That would be pi r squared, and our radius here is 8. So it would be 8 squared times pi. Now what? Now we need to find the area of our triangle. Well, we could go ahead and simplify this one as well. The pi's are going to go away. We have 64 divided by 2 would be 32. And then 32 times 1.5. Half of 32 is 16, so 32 plus 16 would be 48. It's possible we could do that without using our calculator. Now, how do we find the area of the triangle? We did that in the last class. We have that formula that says 1/2 AB sine C. And what does that mean? That's 1/2 side 1, side 2 times the sine of the included angle. So we have 1/2, side 1 would be 8, side 2 would be 8, and then times the sine of the included angle. At this point, we're going to need to use our calculator since 1.5 is not a unit circle value. So let's see here. We'll have, we could just say 1/2 of 8 will be 4. 4, let's see, can you see that? 4 times 8 times the sine of 1.5. And just to make sure, I'm going to hit my mode. Yes, I'm in radian mode, so I'll go back to my screen and I could hit enter. And then it tells me my answer is 31.92. Now it'd be safer just in general to say 48 minus second the negative symbol, so answer, and that gives us 16.08. So the area of this sector is 16.08. Now remember, we're finding area and we have units on it. The units of the radius is centimeters, so this will be centimeters squared. If we didn't have the centimeters written down, we would just write unit squared.